Good morning, this is Phillip Streible, Senior Commodities Broker at R.J.O. Futures, giving you a weekly metals commentary here for Wednesday, February 6th. Looking at the metals, kind of a disconnect between platinum, palladium, and then gold and silver. Gold is really having some struggles here with overnight. The Indian government came out and reported that they were going to implement more import restrictions. So what that'll do is that will decrease demand from India going to outside countries where they would normally bring and import gold in. They're unable to do that because the Indian government, again, with these restrictions. So we're seeing a bit of sell-off here in the gold market. It was up right around like 1675, 1678, and it backed off into the 1660s. A key level of support is the 1650 range. It's below that just a few times. There was one washout a few weeks ago down to 1626, but really that's the key level of support. The resistance is up near like 1686 to 88. So what we're seeing if you look at a daily chart, you can almost draw this giant triangle pattern where the highs are getting lower, the lows are kind of maintaining the same. It's forming this triangle. And what ultimately we should see once we come up to the tip of it, which could be in the next few weeks, we'll most likely see some kind of breakout up or down. It's really hard to tell which direction it's going to go with the underlying fundamentals that the Fed is looking at exiting some kind of quantitative easing plan, while there's other growth concerns out there where they might need to keep it going. So it's a tug-of-war battle. It's really tough. So perhaps a strategy one might implement could be like a strangle where you would buy a call and buy a put. You're not looking for any specific direction, but just a big move to one side or the other. Silver is also having its challenges because of the fact that it's so interlinked with the gold market, but silver is maintaining at least above the $31 level, still below the 32 level, and it's trading in that range as opposed to 29.5 to 30.5 because of the fact that platinum and palladium are so strong. Now, if you look at platinum, there's been some significant labor unrest down in South Africa, specifically the Anglo-American mine. They are really fighting for better employment benefits, looking for higher wages. They've threatened walkouts several times before. So if you look at that the chart pattern on platinum, it has a textbook flagpole, creates the flag, and then a breakout to the upside. One of the reports that I send out, the Hightower report that covers metals every day, they were saying if you look at a weekly chart, this could suggest a potential move up to 2200. So, if you want to read that, just give me a call. I can email it out to you. My number is 1-800-438-4805. Remember that futures and option trading does involve risk of loss and it may not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.